Okay, so this is how we do things. Every day, we just carry on smiling. Cause there's always another day to not throw away. I'm just like you, I like having a calm life, like feeling relaxed, instead of grabbing a sharp knife. The same as you, I like to go on holidays, but I'll be stuck within my ways, token degrading broken days. It's mediocre ways, leave me broken. Walk for 9 days and move back to the same place. My face grey, cause I'm blazing haze 25 a day. Instead of eating 5 a day and be delayed in cyberspace. Yo, I'm a deluded mess, you ain't impressed with my threat. But your bitches will shut the fuck up when I torch you or your pets. Tired of you laughing heads, just do what the person says. Tired of this brain dead, so laugh when your brain spreads. Well, I'm not like you, I don't own an expensive bar. Ain't got houses or a garage full of eccentric cars. I'm not willing to kiss an ass. Entry pass, I just sit here and go demented with a scented grass. No, I never was a person who's blessed, but we can safely say no, I'm a professional mess. No, I will take my brain out, I'll put it back in its stress. Feeling depressed, never talk to a professional mess. Step to this horse shit, making you all split. I'll split more when you're than 4 years. Storming your 40s, people are all skits, leaving your balls blitzed. Inside my stress, I'm a professional mess. My mind's in abandoned space, I live in a suitcase with a time bomb.
Juice like a snow cone, ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash these by the boatload. You wanna ride my wave? That's a no-go. Senoritas going loco. Make it bounce like a pogo. All my haters see rojo. They big mad cause they coming up short like Frodo. Activate the beast mode. I keep it hot, give you heat stroke. You ain't a big shot, you some basic B-roll. The world is mine like my name's Pacino. Hey, it's Nico, I guess I'm back. Catch me in the fast lane on the right track. And my shorty is a 10 like a dime bag. Got me feeling like a millie, check the price tag. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip-hop, ain't no time for pit stop. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip-hop, cause my style.
God-given, I'm from blue tops like Mars Simpson. Just hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the pan. Watching the plan form in the sand, bidding castles out of thoughts in our head. Late nights, no sleep in my bed, trying to see my dreams manifest. Look at that, now look at that, we like. Put the past on ice, I was barren like Mike. Now I'm good like Kendrick said, gon' be alright. I just double my price, I get love on sight. That's the only love I like. Now look at that, we nice. For all the ones who showed up with no motives. That fake love is so bogus. Take love from false owners. Don't respect those who promote it. On paper, you look honest. On the outside, looking in. Like, oh wow, look at them, your time passed. Look again, now my glasses to the brim. I'm throwing passes to the rim. Shot, be going half a middleman took some damage.
I did it on the truth, but in every goddamn message, I find a demon deep inside my mind. Only tear for life.
If the beat hits, I'm ready to go.
Bounce it.